Hi everyone, this is Marin, and today we're going to discuss what homeostatic mechanism is and how positive and negative feedback help our bodies achieve it. I'm sure you're already aware that the normal human body temperature is around 97.7 to 99.5 degrees, or around 37 degrees Celsius for my friends in, well, every other part of the world but here. When you get cold, your body starts to shiver, and when you get hot, you sweat. What's the point of me telling you all this? Well, these are examples of homeostatic mechanisms and negative feedback. Basically, it's our body working to function properly and remain stable, consistent, and resist change. When we get sick, our body's homeostasis is off, and our built-in mechanisms work to bring it back to normal using many different methods, like the temperature example I gave you earlier, and also your blood pressure and your blood sugar. Negative feedback is what powers most of those systems in our bodies, and it's how we self-stabilize. A good example, when you have a fever, that's your body attempting to fight off an infection to return it back to normal condition. Or when your blood pressure rises, your negative feedback decreases in order to lower it. Positive feedback, on the other hand, moves your body away from that sort of normal body system movement and makes your body react quickly to changes. Like for a woman, when they go into childbirth and have those contractions, that's an example of positive feedback. So I hope this helped you better understand the process, and bye for now.